Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time here on the channel, my name is elgigogh, and today we are at the Weija project where we are being contracted to help with the decking of this project. So the owner of this project saw what we are doing on the channel and got in touch with us, and then if we went to check on the project, and here we are to help, to go with the decking. We are doing the carpentry work at the moment, so that's FO for you, working on the beams. FO has been our carpenter, for some time here on the channel, and so far the work he's done has been an amazing job. Anybody can use FO. We've done projects for other teams also, like people that have their own like team, but then sometimes they need carpenter or they need a little bit help. FO goes to do that. So as you can see, this was the first day he was able to do this, and actually the project is a very big project, and I think we don't have enough wood, but FO is trying to manage what the owner has at the moment. So we will be dividing the decking into 4 parts, where we're going to be doing it, quarter by quarter by quarter, just to manage the wood. Yeah, so we're trying to save cost here, so that's why we are just taking our time to just go step by step, no rush in construction.
We are doing the half side of the decking all the way from Weija by way.
So from this angle we can tell that this project is on the hill, and building on the hill gives you some amazing views, but then yeah, the cost that comes with it. But if you can afford, have a nice design with big windows, you can capture nature. You can see it's getting dark, but you could see the city lights all over. It's very beautiful.
So now we are still now we are putting on the plywood. This is how we are going. So now we are doing this part first. So later the cast, then we add a few material to it, then we use it to do the rest of the floor. So now we are doing some small parts.
So work is still in progress, step by step. We're taking our time to do it, good. So you can see, like, we don't have enough wood for everything, and yeah, I also talk about management here on the channel. So the little we have, FO will see how far we go, and yeah, if you are not in a hurry to move to Ghana, why do you buy all the wood, use it, and then later on you have to sell it, or if you don't have even a good carpenter, the carpenter breaks everything. So yeah, we're doing our best and see how far we go. So from this angle we could see that the house is taking shape gradually. After I did the wooden work, the carpentry work for the decking, it has given the shape to the house, and you could see it's a high ceiling. It's going to be beautiful. You could see that there's a wide, there's no block work, not so much block work in front, and that gives you the view of the city. And you can imagine being in your living room, and during the daytime you could just be on top of everybody seeing. It's amazing, man. It is amazing. And at night also, just seeing the city lights is very nice. So yeah, if you can afford a land on the hill, yeah, do it, and you won't regret it. But yeah, it comes with a cost. That's why you don't have to, sometimes you don't have to just go for a big house, just a getaway place, just for family and friends, and just for business as well. You can use it for Airbnb. You can just build a 3-bedroom house with open views and just rent it out. You could see from here, You know, this is the living room, but then look at your view. I wish the camera can go a little bit closer for us to see. You could imagine just in your living room with all those views. Yeah, a big shout out to the owner of this project, man. Congratulations for capturing, this spot. I think you made a good purchase, and you won't regret putting up this house here. So back to Efo. Efo is a great carpenter, and anybody can use Efo here on the channel. That is his number on the screen. You can call him for your gates, for your doors. If you want anything with wood, Efo is here. Your kitchen cabinet, your bed, wardrobe. Just get in touch with Efo, and he will do amazing job for you. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.
Production Group.